Hello dears, so I am going to start with the Z alphabet, the last alphabet, the 26th alphabet of the alphabet series. Very easy to make, and I'll be using 3.5 mm hook. A tapestry needle to sew the ends in, and a 4-ply yarn. So let's begin with 33 chains. We are back with 33 chains. And then we'll go back into the third chain from the hook and make double crochets, 9 double crochets. So we'll be back with 9 double crochets. So after the 9th double crochet, we get into the 10th chain. Make 3 double crochets to make that corner of the Z. 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and then make 3 chains, and then make 3 double crochets into the same chain, that is the 10th chain. And into the next one to 9 chains, we will make double crochets. Now we will go into the 10th chain and make 6 double crochets together. 2, stop, then yarn over, go into the chain, come out, yarn over, pull up 2 loops, yarn over, pull up 2 loops. So now we have 6 double crochets together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then pull all through the loops, and then double crochet into the remaining chains. 1, 'So we have come to the last part and the last double crochet, slip stitch into the double crochet, last one, and then chain 2 and fasten off. So we have completed the Z alphabet. That was the last alphabet of the English series, and we are done with Z today. So subscribe. Thank you for watching. And here's our Z ready to be put up on to some t-shirt or Z for, what do you call it? Z for subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching, dears. See you with some other project in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you for your patience. Bye bye.